Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am going to be reviewing, or let's just say I'm going to be talking a lot about the Mars Eyeshadow Palette. I received this in I would say November during Diwali as a PR. So I have used, I would say, 3 or 4 times since then. So I'm going to be reviewing it and I'm going to be showing you exactly and talking about the pros and cons of this product. So let's get started. So this retails for rupees 399 on Flipkart.com. I wasn't able to find it on Amazon, but on Flipkart they sell it for 399, which is a great thing. Again, I have a liquid shimmer eyeshadow from them. Again, I think this is for 149, and I have a mascara from them. Now this is the mascara, and this again is for 149 if you want the like washable version, and the waterproof one is for 179 if I am not wrong. Now let's go ahead and use this one. I don't think I'll be using this one, but the pigment and the payoff is really good. This is one of my favorite like liquid eyeshadows I have seen. I'm just going to swatch it over here for you so you can see how, like, literally this is insane. So I really like this one, but let's talk about the main eyeshadow palettes over here. Now once you open it, it is a pretty huge palette. Once you open it, you can see there are these 39 shades. I'm just going to show you like this, and there are all of the colors available. It also comes with a big mirror, as you can see right over here, and I would say it's a pretty good beginner eyeshadow palette. For like 399 you're getting 39 shades, which is a very good thing. Now I would say there are very few mattes over here. Like all of them, most of them, like this black is completely matte. These 4 colors which you can see over here, these 2 reds and oranges, only these are mattes. Other than that, all of them are pretty much, I would say, shimmers. So I will swatch a few of them over here for you. Some of the colors which I really like in this palette is this lilac. Now I really don't know if you can see it really that nicely, but this lilac one is really nice. The pinks are really good as well. The green is something so unique. This one, this one, this one. So yeah, let me just swatch a couple of them for you. Darken it so you can see. Okay, yeah, so this is what you can see, and yeah, we're back to normal. Now let me just swatch it. Where can I swatch it? So this is the green. Wow, look at it. This is the gold, this is the lilac, and this is the pink. Let me again just do this so you can see it. Just look at this. How beautiful does this look? I mean, I absolutely love it. Like the green, wow, this is the first time I swatched the green. These 3 I've swatched and I've used before, but really like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a angled brush. I'll dip it into this orange shade, the orange matte shade, and we'll try to create a brown bright eyeshadow look. First impressions, I'm using the matte ones for the first time. I've used quite a few shimmer ones, so I'll just mention which I've used before. So I'm just going to take an angled brush, and as you can see, it's pretty pigmented, which is a great thing, like on the first bat. Because what happens, I've seen some eyeshadow palettes which I've gotten for less price, they do not have a pigment like this. And also one thing I am really liking, and I'm really enjoying the mirror as of now, because I do not have to grab, you know, like the other mirror and do this, do that, which always becomes a hassle. So I'm just going to apply this orange shade all over my crease. It is blending in really nicely. So as you can see over here. Now let's move on and use a precise angled brush, and I think let's go into a deeper brown. I would say this brown, and just use it on the outer corners and see it has a bit of shimmer. I wouldn't say it has a lot of it. Some of them have a lot of shimmer, some of them don't. So again, first of all, as you can see, it's going in pretty well, like it's blending in well. I'm just gonna take a little bit. It has some fallout, like pretty I would say natural fallout. So yeah, I mean, I do not really mind if there is a fallout. Like I don't really, it's not really a big problem for me. I know it is a big problem for many people. So I'm just gonna use it like this. Use this brown shade like this mostly on the outer corner like this. So far it is looking really nice. I am really liking it. So just a bit more concentration on the outer edge than the inner one, like this. I would say I'm going again with the same orange shade just to give it a bit more dimension and balancing both the colors, because balancing both the colors equally into the eyeshadow is very important. Which shade should we go to? Since this is a very orange brown, I'm thinking to go with a warm tone shade. Has a lot of pigment and wow, it looks good. So I'm just gonna apply it a little bit into the inner portion of my lid. And I'm going to be taking again this one. This is more of a golden, what can we say, like I'm going again in this golden shade and I'm just going to be applying it all over my lid. And wow, just look at that, it looks really good. Wow, I really like this look. I mean, I haven't really applied any setting spray on my like brushes, so without even setting spray it is looking really good. Now for my lower lash line, I'm just going to take a little bit of the brown which we used and just going on my lower lash line. It is really important to go under your lower lash line and just apply it, otherwise the look just looks incomplete for me. For my inner corner, I'm just taking this pointed brush and I'm thinking to go into this orange shimmer shade. Wow, this is my first time and there is a lot of pigment, and I'm going to be applying it over here. And wow, it is pigmented. I would say the shimmers are more nice than the mattes, and again, like there are very few mattes. I would have really liked if there were you know, I would say 2 or 3 more mattes, because I can see some of them, like the brown is matte but it's not completely matte, you know what I mean. Now I'll be completing this eye off camera and I'll get back to you showing the entire finished look. So this is the up close look of my eyes. As you can see, I really like it. The pigmentation is great. It was easy to blend in. Let me just increase the brightness. Wow, that is a bit too much, but as you can see over here right now, I really like the eyeshadows. I really love how it is looking on my eyes. I did not have any trouble, you know, blending it out. So yeah, that was a really great thing. Let me just put this back to the way it was. I am really liking this look. Now props to the eyeshadow. I love this eyeshadow palette. I mean, I think it is good for an affordable you know, budget friendly eyeshadow. It is amazing for people who are going in colleges who really want to try out eyeshadows but not for a lot of money, and I think for $3.99 it is a really good one. So yeah, good job over there, Mars. So that is the complete look using the Mars Eyeshadow Palette. Now I really like these products. I think it is amazing for the people who are in college who just do not want to invest in too much and just play with makeup, which is a really good thing. One thing I only wish this palette had were like more matte shades. Other than that, I mean, you can literally create innumerable amount of looks using this. So yeah, I mean, I really like it. I really love my eyeshadow, how it is looking on me right now. And if you're wondering what am I wearing on my lips, it is the mixture of the Lakme's Forever Matte lipstick in the shade Pink Ballet and the Colourpop Brink. So I'm using both of them on my lips right now. So yeah, that was it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know, what do you think about this palette? Would you buy it? Please subscribe to this channel because I'm posting 2 videos a week, so you might also want to check other makeup reviews out. And I will see you next time. Till then, bye.